What's going on? Kissha J here, and thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a thrift store haul. Yes, if you guys don't know, that is one of my favorite pastimes. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first item I would like to show you is this. This is one of those. I got two of these. These are like the ceiling tile wall decor. So my idea for this is to maybe paint it all white with no distress, because if you could tell, it's already, really, this is good to go just the way it is, to be honest with you. But I like kind of like the rustic glam look. So in my mind, I feel like I could paint this all white, just a solid color white, pure white, and then take the gold or silver rubbing buff and go along the detailing of this and and make that detail stand out. So that's what I think I would like to do with these. This will go anywhere. This will go in your living room, in your office if you have a home office. This could go in your bedroom, in your hallway, anywhere of your choice, really. So that's what I think that I would like to do with these. I don't know, but that's probably a very strong possibility, yes. Okay. The next thing that I have is this. I know you're probably thinking, what's she gonna do with that? I know. This is this actually is a piece of wall decor. You hang this on your wall. See, it came like this. But when I saw this, I immediately thought to turn this into a Lazy Susan. Yes. I mean, it's round. I mean, it's the perfect size round. You can paint this whatever color you like: white, black, cream, gray. You can restain the wood to a wood grain. Like, the ideas are endless with this. But my idea is to turn it into a Lazy Susan. I don't know if I want to remove the stain that's on here and restain it a completely different color, or if I want to paint it a solid color. I don't know yet. In the comments, let me know what you would do with this. What would you do with this if you was to run across this and turned it into a Lazy Susan or whatever? Give me some ideas on what you would do with it, okay? In the comments. All right. The next thing I got is these. Voila. No, I'm just kidding. No, I got these. So these are jewelry trays. As you can see, the bottom is missing. So in my head, I thought that what I want to do with these is I want to replace the bottom with like wood. So I would get the wood resized to the size of these and have wood bottoms. And if that doesn't work, you know, I think it's Hobby Lobby, they sell plexiglass, and you can just buy their plexiglass and then get it cut down to size. But as you can see, it's been tarnished. So I want to remove that the tarnish off of it and just have it and take it back to its original state. But I think these are really cute, and I want to put these in my bathroom on my sink. I don't know if you've seen the video where I made some apothecary jars. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above right here, so you can take a look at that. But once I replace the bottom, I think I'll use these to put the apothecary jars on top of these. So I have this one, and then I'll have this one in front, maybe to hold jewelry or things like that. So that's the idea, that's the plan. The next thing I want to show you is, so the next thing I'm gonna show you, these are very, these are old school, okay? I really love antique type home decor items. I don't know, I guess I'm just an old soul. But anyway, let me show you what I got. One. There's more. Two. Yes. Listen, when I saw these, it was no doubt about it. I was gonna get them. So my idea for these though, to kind of bring them to date, I'm thinking that I would get some dark, like either like a chocolate spray paint or something a little bit darker, and spray paint the outside like a dark chocolate, and then leave the tops just like they are, silver. You know what? Let me tell y'all the price on these. The big one was $5.99. The middle one was $4.99. And the small one was $3.99. It was no doubt that what am I trying to say? I was not going to leave these behind. I just wasn't, I couldn't. So I brought them home. So my idea for these, like I said, is to spray paint them a dark chocolate. What would you do? Would you leave them just as they are? Or would you spray paint them? And if you would spray paint them, what color would you spray paint them to match your home? Let me know down in the comments below, okay? So the next item is gonna be the last thing that I purchased, which I'm excited about. Let me get these moved. I got this lamp. I got two of these. I got this one, the black one, and then it also came in this cream color. And they both came with lampshades. I removed the lampshade off of this one, but for some reason it's stuck on this one, so I'm gonna have to get some pliers and put a little elbow grease in it to remove this one. I don't want the shades on these. But I feel like I can redo them some type of way. I'm not sure. Like, I want to change the shape of the shades on these, but I don't know what shape of shade. Yeah, I don't know what shape of lampshade I want to get to fit the style of this lamp. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what shape lampshade would you get with these, or would you just keep the lampshades that came with it and just redo them? But anyway, my idea for this is these are gonna go in my living room, and I think so. My apartment has a blue accent wall, and most of my furniture is like a floral and cream, and I don't know, I like floral print. So I don't know if I want to, my idea for whatever color I decide to paint these, because I'm rambling, let's bring it back. Whatever color I decide to paint these, I'm going to get some of that rub and buff I was talking about previously, and I'm just going to go over the detailing. I do know that the rub and buff I want to use on this is gold. So whatever color I decide to paint, give me some ideas in the comments below. What color would you paint this? If my colors in my living room is mainly blue and cream. So give me some ideas. What color would you paint this to kind of like be like an accent in your living room? I know I want to do the detailing on this gold, but I just can't narrow down on the color I want the base to be. So let me know, okay guys? So that was it for this thrift store haul. I really hope that you enjoyed everything that I purchased. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, what's going on? If you're watching this, that means you made it to the end of my video. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, there'll be some more videos somewhere over here that you can watch. If you haven't seen those, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.